Hey guys, you know my voice, right? Well, what if I told you this wasn't me? What if I told you this is my digital clone? And the scary part, it only sounds this good because the source recordings were captured right.
From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
I get why people get so salty about AI in creative work. They don't just think it's lazy, they don't just think it's fake. What they really hate is the idea that AI lets people cheat the system. But maybe the real question is whether AI finally gives individuals a way to beat the system. Because let's be honest, the system has never been built to favor the individual. It favors the platform, the agency, the client, the gatekeeper, the company with the budget, the data, the distribution, and the leverage. And every year, that system gets more stacked against the person trying to build something on their own. So if AI gives one person the ability to write, record, translate, edit, publish, and scale their own work, maybe that's not cheating. Maybe that's leverage. Maybe that's survival. Look, I was wrong. I thought professional voice actors had more time before AI cloned voices started eating it alive. Turns out, not as much time as I thought. AI voice cloning is projected to be a $10 billion business by 2030. You can't keep your head in the sand any longer. So the question is not, are you going to let AI force you out of the game? The question is, are you going to keep playing by rules that were never written for you? Or are you going to learn how to beat the system? Maybe the answer is a hybrid approach. So tell me what you think. Leave a comment. And until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov. Well, at least his digital avatar, fading to black.
陰性ドクターたちは警告しています。世界中のオーディションでハサツオン・グレムリンの感染が広がっています。たった一度の処方でSIBILANCE KILLBOXはあなたの大切な音声収録から耳障りな非殺音グレムリンを退治します。あなたの努力が台無しになる前にSIBILANCE KILLBOX macOS 対応。